Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on and just show you some really cute stickers that I got made a little while ago. I put some digital stickers, or some of them, on, I think it's like the scratch and sniff sticker video that I did, the first one. So I'll link that above in case you haven't seen it yet and you kind of want to check that out. And I'll actually link it in the description below too, so you can watch that at the end of this video if you want. But yeah, I basically got some stickers from stickeru.com. I think I've said this before in another video. All I suggest is if StickerU doesn't work for you, I would say do your research on what you feel works for you, whether it's in your country or it's a little bit cheaper, it's a little easier. You could also use local printing places if you'd like to make stickers as well. Or you can even use, some people will take a Cricut or something and they'll make their own kiss cut stickers, or just in general just stickers. There's so many different methods on how to do this. You even make them yourself the way I've done in other past videos. Honestly, it's endless how you can do this, but I just wanted to hop on and just show you just for fun. I got these made a while ago. I got a little booklet on all the different things you can basically do at StickerU, which is really cool. You can brand almost anything with like a embossed look to it, which is really a neat thing. Anyways, you can look into StickerU if you'd like. I'm not being paid by them or anything like that or promoting them that way. I just figured they were kind of a good one for me to use. So I basically made some Happy Mail stickers. So this is just 2-inch square sticker. Yeah, these are about 2-inch square stickers. So these are bigger ones, but most of them I made about 1.5 inches. So these are the biggest ones. So I made these really cute designs. So this says Perlator and this says PUPS. So I just thought these were really, really fun for cat and dog lovers. I have a few friends who are animal lovers, so I figured I could send them some Happy Mail and stick this on their package to make it look a little cuter. Or I could just even stick some stuff in a present and just sort of send a bunch of these stickers to them as well. So there's that. So obviously there's this Happy Mail one right here that you kind of already saw. You saw the larger version. I think that these are really, really cute for just any time of year. There's the PUPS one with a little dog. I'll show you guys a little closer. So cute, right? If you love dogs and stuff, I figured this was a nice one to have. I also made something for Easter that's a little different. It's like a bunny one. Instead of FedEx, it's EggX, so Egg Express. It doesn't seem like it's a clever use of FedEx, but I thought it was kind of fun and cute. I also like how it's a little rainbowy. It's more colorful for Easter, and it's just really fun. I really liked how this one turned out. So that's kind of a nice one for, again, everyday Easter. I got some for Boo Mail. So if you wanted to send out somebody some scary Halloween mail, there's the cat, but it's like a black cat. This one has a little hat, like a witch's hat. So I thought that'd be really, really cute. Halloween's coming up. Also still Perlator. I kind of just did black cats for Halloween. This one's, instead of scare mail, it's Boo Mail, and it's just the cat without a hat. I could do one with a witch's hat too that says Boo Mail, but I just thought I'd have some differentiation between those guys. Then I have different versions of Merry Mail. So I got 4 different designs. So I did Merry Mail, and then this cat has a little antler hat. So it looks like a little reindeer. This is another Merry Mail one, another cat one with a little Santa hat on. I thought that was really cute. So in case your recipient likes reindeers or Santa or something like that, you can gift them to different people. So I also made the dog have antlers in this one. And then this one, I just sort of changed the colors on a lot of the words here, but this guy basically has the little Santa hat this time around. So it's basically the same sort of truck design, and I just changed out the characters. So I just figured this was really, really cute to just share with people for around the holidays. The Happy Mail ones are great for Happy Mail or their birthdays or any time of year, just because. And then yeah, like obviously the Boo Mail is good for Halloween, and the Hoppy Mail is good for Easter. So I'm basically set for maybe years when I'm sending out presents and stuff to people. I can just stick a little fun thing in the corner, dress up an envelope or a box that looks normally pretty plain. Why not embellish the box and make it kind of cuter? Also, it might put a smile on the face of somebody who's working for one of these companies. Maybe you're not delivering it by hand, but maybe you're just delivering it through UPS or Purelator. I want to call it Perlator, but Purelator or something. You can always add this just to sort of put a smile on their face. I don't know. I think it's really, really fun, really, really cute. Obviously, I didn't do all the different delivering companies, just some of the ones in Canada that you see quite frequently. They're pretty popular. I don't know what everybody uses in the States, but anyways, I just thought that these were really fun, really cute. I've never really seen anybody do this before. Anyways, hopefully everybody likes that fun share. I really like this one because of the rainbow colors. I think it's really fun. Yeah, and I hope that you guys all have a really happy and fun day. Okay? Take care, everybody. Have a good one. Bye!